Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% healthy rolled oats chia seeds drink. Now, this is something that we definitely need to try during breakfast. For this, I'm going to begin with first soaking rolled oats. Now, this is going to be done for about half an hour's time. I will take the rolled oats in a cup and then fill up the cup with some water and keep it closed for it to get soaked nicely. Post half hour, you can see that the oats have got nicely soaked and now they are nice and soggy. Now we'll empty these oats completely into the mixer jar. We will follow this up with some soaked chia seeds. Now chia seeds needs to be soaked for 2 hours prior to using it for this. We will then follow it up with some cardamom powder and add enough boiled milk which is cooled. We can also add some vanilla essence for flavor, which is completely optional. We'll then top it up with some honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Let's top up our drink with some dry fruits, and now our drink is ready.